N8N Google Sheets. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to the N8N website. Once you're on the home page, click Sign In at the top right to log in. Click Start from Scratch to begin your new project. On the workflow canvas, click the plus icon in the center and search for On App Event. Then, search for Google Sheets under Triggers. You'll see options like On Row Added, On Row Updated, or On Row Added or Updated. Select On Row Added or Updated, and a configuration panel will appear. Under Select Credential, click Create New Credential. A pop-up will appear. Connect by choosing Sign In with Google. After connecting, return to the Trigger setup. Here, you can configure pull time and add more time if needed. Choose your document either from list, by URL, or by ID. Do the same for selecting the sheet. Click Trigger On and select your preferred trigger option. Set Include and Output, then adjust columns to Watch and Data Location on Sheet. In Data Location, define and set your range. Under Settings, you can also add notes.